Tell me what's the matter. Don't, Lucky. Tell me what you want. Hey, you gotta talk to me. Come here. Come here. No, come over here. Come here. Hey. Alright, no. Getting too close. What is it? Tell me. Are the puppies outside? Are the other dogs out? And you want to go? What? Who's out there? Oh, no. If you could only talk. If you could only... Yeah. I know. Talk to me. Yeah. You try. This dog. That's my puppy. Yeah. That's my puppy. Okay, let's have a conversation. You need to tell me. Is there a reason you need to be? Huh? You got a girlfriend out there? Say, where's Marley? Have you got a girlfriend? Huh? Did they go out and just not let you go too? Lucky, look at me. Talk to me. No, talk to me. Going without me? Come here, buddy. He's standing at the door waiting.